So state your name and who you work for.
My name is Stu King. I'm a user experience designer for Magenic Studios.
Okay. And what are you doing your talk on today?
Today we're doing HTML5. I'm just trying to take a look at what's in the spec, maybe some strategies for what we can use now,
Okay.
and maybe some outlook, what's coming up.
So what do you see as appealing to HTML5 for web developers?
Well, I guess the thing I like the best about it is we're now in a situation where we don't have a bunch of browser makers who are dictating the terms. They're all sort of racing to see who can be the first to comply with the spec, which is, I think, where we need to be, ideally. That means they're working for us as opposed to themselves to see who can roll out the coolest functionality that you can only deploy for one browser or the other. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited about some of the new markup that's available for marking up content. So, particularly, content where you might have blog content, or you might have content for e-commerce where you can use some of the section and header and footer properties. There's a lot of new things in HTML5. They look like old markup, but they mean completely different things.
Like what?
Like you'll see, the familiar small tag, for example, which used to mean small font. Now it means the small print. It's more semantic in the way that it's constructed. So it makes a lot more sense from sort of the publishing point of view.
Okay.
And document structure point of view.
Okay. So one of the things that I know that you do on your own time is that you do some really creative things with laptops and boxes in terms of their design and layout. In fact, I just saw your site that your shirt color, the little orange thing there, looks like a laptop you just made. So,
Yeah.
So how did you get into like custom laptop designs, so to speak?
Well,
I gotta stop saying that. I've said so to speak like 4 interviews. Sorry.
Yeah.
Anyway, go ahead.
No, I mean, it's an artistic pursuit. It's something that, for me, web design has been a way to fulfill my need to do art and technology at the same time. And working on laptops and custom PC designs and things like that have been a way for me to actually put that into practice with tools and using my hands, and it feels more tactile, like real art, than actually just creating a design in Photoshop. So, the fabrication I like to do, and I like to do the design, come up with a theme PC. It's a lot of fun, and it's most fun when I can dictate the terms, but sometimes I do client work as well, and they dictate terms, and then I try to make it fulfilling for myself within the boundaries of their requirements, which is very similar to actually working for clients on web stuff too.
So where could somebody go to see some of the creative designs that you've done?
You can go to kickboxes.com, that's KIKBOXES.com, or you can go to my blog at thedesigndrifter.com, and I've got a workshop section there with some of the stuff I've done over the years.
Okay, cool. Thanks, Stu.
Yeah, thank you.